And what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How you guys doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing School of Genius, Raphael Palmdale. I think that's how you say his name. If you've been thinking about getting School of Genius, man, stick to the end of this video and you can make a decision for yourself on whether you should get it or not. To be honest, you guys, I don't want to turn into a review channel. I'm really honestly doing this video. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. This is the only video I could do. Nothing exciting has been going on in my Forex journey. I really just been enjoying the process of learning. I'm trying to make this a career here and establish myself as a pro day trader. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be fly by night. Yeah, I'm doing this video also because one person commented on my last video saying review it. So if you're one who searches Forex and day trading, you're gonna run across Raphael at some point. This guy, he pulls in crazy amounts of profit, 1 million in 3.5 hours, $1,200,000 in a day, just crazy, insane profits. So I had to see what this guy was about. I went on his channel, watched a whole bunch of his videos, and it took me a while to actually get the course. I was really contemplating on it, but I just said, hey, let's just go ahead and get the course. The price of his course is 447 USD. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys why I like the course. May I say, School of Genius is a very informative course. Things are explained in great detail. It was very easy for me to understand this course. In the course, Raphael is mostly teaching price action. And he's just watching the market off of his zones and trend lines and making trades based off of price action. He's going off market structure. He brought up the liquidity grab. He looks at breaks, retests, pullbacks, fake outs, rising and falling channels in a kind of a trend line. He focuses a lot on trend lines and drawing them up on the 4-hour and daily chart. He has a section on indicators, really the most popular indicators. He teaches you about relative strength index or the RSI. He also shows you how he uses the moving averages and also the Fibonacci tool, the retracement and Fibonacci extension. He gives strategies for the scalper, the day trader, and the swing trader, which is great. He shows you how he himself puts it together. And he shows you a couple live trades that he got in on the MetaTrader on the desktop. He's telling you every confluence he's looking at, not leaving out a thing. One thing I really like a lot is that he gives you a very detailed example trading plan. So it's kind of a example kind of trading plan, but it's very detailed. It helped me out a lot in building my own trading plan. From all the videos I've watched on YouTube, I didn't get a full grasp on how a professional trading plan should look and should be like. And Raphael, he gives it to you for sure. A couple things that I disliked about the course, and I had to really think hard about this because overall this is a great course, so I had to really dig deep and see why I didn't like the course. First thing is that he had one quiz throughout the whole course. It's like the quiz came in the beginning and then there was no quizzes after that, you know what I'm saying? So it seemed kind of, I don't want to say out of place, but it just seemed like it was a job left unfinished. You know, you get the quiz in the beginning and then, you know, throughout the course you're expecting more quizzes, and that's it, that's all. At some points the audio was kind of low. It was bad quality, or on, you know, one of the videos only one side of my headphone was working and I thought my headphones were broken, and the next video wasn't like that. So he has some audio issues in there, which is not a big deal at all. And the course could have been a tad bit longer. It was a little on the shorter side, but like I said, very informative, very, very detailed. Like I said, I seen Raphael on YouTube and he's pulling millions of dollars from the market, and I'm like, I got to learn from this guy or see what's going on. How are you doing this? By getting this course, I really know how he attacks the charts in very good detail. Like, he leaves nothing out. I really do appreciate Raphael a lot. He is a genuine guy. From the vibes that I got from him, he doesn't seem like he's trying to get over on anybody. You know what I'm saying? Even I hit him in Telegram and he hit me back. Now, it may not be the real him, but it seems like the real him. He said, hey buddy, you know what I'm saying? I can just see that he's really engaged with his students. Also, he has a private Discord and a private Telegram that you get enrolled in kind of when you finish the course. So he's posting on that every day. He's posting what he's doing on gold, what he's doing on the Dow. I'm going long. and he's telling you really what he's doing. His course has me very confident to get in a live account. Definitely, if you take his course, you are going to feel confident in your trading and have a better understanding. I will be hopping into a live account soon, you guys. I've just been trying to perfect my trading plan by back testing and just getting really confident in this trading game. Like I said, I'm taking it slow. I'm not trying to rush this trading stuff. I want to make it a career. You can't rush a career or you can't rush anything that's good in life. You know, it takes some time. It's a process. So that's what I've been doing, just learning every single day, trying to polish my skills up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be diving deep into these markets really soon, you guys, and guess what? I'm bringing y'all along with me. You guys, let me know, comment below if there's any courses I should check out or any courses I should do a review on for you guys. Please let me know. I'm trying to just soak in all the information that I can. But that's all I have for you guys today, man. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all go ahead and give me a sub. If you want to join the Forex journey with me, go ahead and drop a sub, you guys. Like this video so I can get in the algorithm. And that's it. The way it looks.